Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OnePlus Pad Go 2. In this video let me show you how to enable Kid Space on this device. So let's open settings on your device and let's scroll down until you see accessibility and convenience section. Now let's scroll to modes and here you will see Kids mode. So first of all you want to select the applications for your kid. You need to enable toggles next to the applications that you wish to display in your Kid Space. So let's say it's calculator, a calendar, and camera. Let's tap next button. I skipped one step. So after this you want to set screen time limit. First of all, decide if you want to set your time limit overall, and next below, if yes, then you have to select basically time limit. Additionally, you can custom it by using this timer. Okay, now let's tap next button, and in the very end, eyesight protection settings. So you can see here two options: ambient light reminder. So we can see the explanation that remind your child to move to a brighter area when the ambient light is too low. And additionally, another feature, eye protecting display, filter blue light to protect your child's eyesight. So decide if you need that and let's tap OK button. Additionally, you can allow Kids mode to send you notifications. Okay, and this is how your Kid Space looks like. And when you want to exit it, all I'm gonna do is tap this three-dot button in the top right and let's tap exit button, which turns you to normal regular mode if you enter your lock screen password. You can create home screen shortcuts to quickly access your Kids mode. So on your home screen you will see this icon, and when you want to open it, simply tap it, and this is your Kid Space. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.